2, 3. Isa pa.
2, 3. 1, 2.
1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Hey everyone! Welcome to our Haneda Airport Layover adventure. We had a full day exploring Tokyo during our Japan Airlines layover, and we're so excited to share our experience with you. We started our journey with Japan Airlines, and the food was amazing, a perfect mix of Japanese and Hawaiian flavors. Our day started super early at 4:25 a.m. at Haneda Airport Immigration. Since we had Philippine passports with US visas and were flying to Hawaii later that night, we were able to apply for a shore pass. The process was straightforward. We showed our travel documents and explained our layover plans and got approved. This allowed us to leave the airport and explore Tokyo for the day. The shore pass was actually valid for 3 days.
Tricky.
The train system was actually super efficient. At first, we were confused, but it became easy to navigate once you figure it out. That was our first stop at Tsukiji Market and the Imperial Palace, except they were closed on January 3rd, and it was a bit of a bummer. Then we went to the Tokyo SkyTree town. Yay! 7-Eleven. Senso-ji Temple in Asakusa was our next stop, and it was packed with people. The atmosphere was so lively, and we took in the beautiful architecture and culture. Here's a quick tutorial on how to buy a train ticket in Tokyo. First, select your destination by number or code, how many adults or children, and then insert your coins or bills. Then you can grab your ticket and change. That easy. We couldn't miss Shibuya crossing. It's one of the busiest pedestrian crossing in the world. And afterward, we tried some street food.
Authentic, Brad. Ito yung gawa talaga.
Ano yan?
Mamo.
What's that? What's mamo?
I think it's a Japanese pancake. Let's just try it.
Okay, try. Baka mainit din. Tapos
Ganda.
wait lang, hindi ko na focus. Anong meron?
Mozzarella in the inside.
Anong mozzarella? We also visited Tokyo Japan Temple. It's such a peaceful and beautiful place in the heart of Tokyo. Roppongi Hills was another stop, but by this point, we were so tired we didn't even take pictures. We saved our energy for Tokyo Tower.
Tokyo Tower.
After a full day of exploring, we flew back to Hawaii. I was too tired to film dinner, but here's our breakfast. And yeah, Japan Airlines really knows how to end a trip on a high note. Thanks for joining us on our Tokyo layover tour.